So you've added a new zone for whatever reason, but the controller is miles away. No worries. We've got you covered. Let's get into it. This is the existing valve. Use the closest existing valve to facilitate installation, and this is the new valve you just installed. Grab your Wirevirus. Take the working field wire, disconnect it from the existing valve, and connect it to the green wire on the Wirevirus. Next, pick blue or red on the Wirevirus and connect it to your existing valve. I'll pick red. Then I will connect blue to the new valve. Remember to connect the common to your new valve. Now in the controller, disconnect the existing field wire. With a wire nut, connect it to the green wire on the other piece of your Wirevirus. Remember, at the valves, we connected the red wire on the Wirevirus to the existing valve. So here, we will put that red wire back on the original terminal. The blue wire is connected to the new valve. So here, I'll connect blue to terminal 2.